Alright, so we're going to put this thing up and do lower engine mounts.
Lower engine mounts. Ooh. So this is our buddy Laz's MR2. AW11. Life.
I did a boo-boo.
What happened?
I put jack stand in the wrong spot and bent the rod.
Just now? Like this jack stand?
Yep.
Oh, I can see it from here, yes.
Yes.
Oh, that sucks.
That's
That's not a jacking point at all.
it'll hold while I reposition it.
Oof.
That'll be fine for 2 seconds.
It will not be fine.
Oh, jeez. Sorry, Laz. Thank goodness for big vices.
That's one way to fucking do it.
Almost straight, but not straight enough. So the trick is going to be more than just that. That's in there somewhere. That looks pretty straight. Do I have a straight edge? Not traditional type. That's pretty straight though. You go a little further so when it relaxes. Like that. You know what?
That is better than new.
Better than, yeah. It's straight enough.
That looks straight.
Yeah. I'd buy that.
I mean, if there's a weird wobble in the back, we know what it is.
Yeah, exactly. Laz has a whole new setup for this anyway, but you know, you don't want to start. But, hey, you know the car I fixed up for you?
I also broke it.
That's a fuck it up. That's not what good friends do. The other thing that I noticed about these brackets, they don't fit. This is the spacing we need. That's the one that came off this car. This is the one that came off. Maybe there's a third type. Maybe we need to go to Laz's house and look for a third type. Because neither of those are right.
So this needs to attach to the back of these?
Yeah.
But none of the holes just don't line up, huh?
Alright. Well, I would test drive it now. It's got 3 engine miles in it.
Oh, yeah, I was gonna say. It's enough. Yeah. But these definitely aren't fitting like up, down, left. Yeah.
Yeah. I want to go raid Laz's. So. Actually, no, we need to stare at first. Is the exhaust. You're gonna giggle when you see this exhaust.
That's a ridiculous exhaust. What the fuck? I could put my head in that. It's wider than your fucking mother. Oh my god.
I forget what brand it is. It's some special brand.
Big Dick Energy.
Something like that.
Wow. This looks like something someone would put on an RX-7, so I guess it works on a MR2 as well.
Yeah, exactly.
I don't know why, but I feel like it's like a HKS or like maybe a DC.
Yeah. It's something like that.
Oh, here we go. There's a name on it. Like A power muffler or some shit. I don't know. I can't read that.
Apexy?
Apex, maybe? I don't know.
HKS.
Is that what that says?
It's something on the power, and then underneath it looks like it says HKS. Whatever it is, it's dope.
Yeah, it is an HKS. Oh, I can't believe I was right. Yeah, it's a high power muffler. My first guess was correct. That's fun.
This right? Yeah, this has to be right.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah, that looks right. Based on the way this thing snails.
Yeah. Plenty of room for the axles to go. And what we're going to do is chop off the melon shooter and stick a catalytic converter on the end.
Makes sense, yeah.
Rally look.
Yeah. This thing is ridiculous.
You stay in your home. You got some good footage of this engine going in too.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to working through these videos because I wasn't around for them, so I get to watch it.
Yeah.
And then cut out all the stuff.
Some of them are a lot more just informative where we are versus actually watching what's going on.
That's fine.
But, yeah.
Sometimes it's hard to get the angles and shit.
Yeah.
It's just easier to do it and then summarize.
Alright, so that goes there like that. and clears everything. Nice. So this is from an SW20. This exhaust.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You know what? That makes a lot of sense. Yeah.
That's actually not bad. Cool. All right, so we can add a hanger there. And then we're gonna do this. Do you wanna
Yeah.
bring one of those axle stands from behind you? See how terrible this is gonna be. Thank you, sir.
Can we fucking hook this up to the truck so that it fucking calms it down?
This won't calm anything. This is the anti-calm down.
That fucking D-series Honda engine is just... I want it more quiet.
Yeah.
I'll do what I can to keep this kind of...
Yeah. Actually, if you want to grab the other one too, and I'll just double it.
Yeah. That makes more
Sweet.
sense.
I'll take it over here actually.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. All right. Do the tip.
Yeah.
Yeah, support the tip.
Well, no. I want to support the tip always, but here, and then I don't have to hold and
Oh, okay.
finger tighten.
Yeah, it's hard to hold and finger at the same time. Just hold and screw. Oh, anything that you have here that I don't have at my house that will need to pull tie rods and control arms.
Rods and control arms?
It looks like in order to do the ball joints, the control arm has to come off.
Oh, okay. I'll bring my whole toolkit.
And maybe a torch.
And a torch. And I bought you a hammer.
Yeah, I got that hammer. And of course it's blue. Everything in my life is blue.
Get your green one next time.
I like green.
What?
I said I actually like green. So that would be fine.
Tell me these things before I do shit for you.
Nah, it's not a big deal.
Okay.
I just appreciate it.
I don't see colors
Unless it's blue. And I hate blue.
So, I'm gonna have to reconfigure this because it's for a shorter car, a longer car.
Yeah, fair enough. Not by much, though.
No, I think we can do that.
Yeah.
So yeah, it looks like I can take like 3 inches out here.
Yeah, I was gonna say, probably right where that clamp is.
Yeah. So if I section that down 3 inches, bring this to here,
Yeah,
I'll suck this back muffler back enough.
Yep.
Probably tuck it up higher.
And you're cutting this melon shooter off, so
Yeah, that can go.
that doesn't matter.
Yep. Yeah. Go from there. Cool. I'm happy. It's good progress. It's good to see where shit fits.
Just put a turn down on the end of the pipe. That's
Oh,
it.
just right here, just go.
Yep. Don't.
Or just come straight.
Just straight out center exit. Fuck yeah.
Yeah.
That'd be awesome. I'd be into that.